Today, I'll walk you through how to create or add a new notebook in OneNote, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set up your notebook so you can organize your thoughts and ideas more effectively. Let's get started. First, open your OneNote app. This is your digital workspace where all your notes will come together. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be similar. Now, navigate to the File option located in the upper left part of your screen. This is like opening the door to a new room where you can create something fresh. Once you're in the File menu, look for the New option, click on it. This is where the magic begins. It's like planting a seed for your new notebook. Next, you'll need to add a name for your notebook. Think of this as giving your notebook a title that reflects its purpose. It could be anything from travel plans to project ideas. Take a moment to choose something meaningful. After naming your notebook, click on Create Notebook. This is the moment of truth. Your new notebook is being born. Now you'll be prompted to decide whether you want to share this notebook with others or keep it just for yourself. This choice is important as it determines who can access your notes. Once you've made your selection, you'll see that your new notebook is created. Congratulations! You've just taken a significant step in organizing your thoughts. To check on your new notebook, simply click the back arrow to return to your dashboard. This is like stepping back to admire your work after completing a project. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new notebook in OneNote. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.